Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog crate covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Explore Land Polyester Dog Crate Cover. This budget-conscious pick is made from Oxford cloth that is windproof, preventing your canine companion from having to deal with unpleasant weather. This particular size fits most 42-inch standard wire crates, but 4 other sizes are also available. You can even choose from 2 colors to match the style of whatever room your 4-legged friend's crate is in. The cover is both easy to install and to remove. As you install it, take advantage of the 5 toggles along the cover's bottom to secure it to the crate. You will also appreciate the convenient zippers and the multiple lockers on the back side. When you remove it, the portable handle will make life easier. The crate cover is also adaptable, featuring 2 entrance doors that you can use separately or together. There is also a mesh window so your canine can see outside, complete with a flap to customize ventilation and visibility. Moving on at number 4, we have the Morezi Heavy Nylon Waterproof Dog Crate Cover. This is one of the many waterproof dog crate covers available in 5 sizes and 7 colors, so you can choose one that fits your crate and sense of style. There is an open panel that you can easily fold back, making it easy to open and close the door to the crate. Secure the cover via hook and loop tabs that prevent it from sliding around and turn the crate into a cozy den. The material is also easy to clean as you can throw it right in the machine followed by the dryer. It also repels oils and stains. At number 3, we have the Exzone Pet Indoor-Outdoor Dog Crate Cover. This Exzone Pet Crate Cover works well inside or outside and comes in 2 colors and 2 sides. It is made from Oxford material that is durable and protects against dust, insects, and wind. It is also machine washable. The crate cover's design includes 2 roll-up panels and a mesh window that can be covered, offering multiple ways to add ventilation or some light to the interior. That mesh is breathable and anti-scratch, so your dog will not accidentally damage it. There is also a unique roll-up opening on the top so you can hold the crate's handle for easy transportation. At number 2, we have the Avenigo Dog Crate Cover. This Avenigo dog crate cover is made using high-density polyester so it is waterproof and windproof. The material is breathable and lightweight, especially compared to covers that use PVC coating. There are 5 crate sizes to choose from, with the 42-inch one fitting most 42-inch wire crates. After you put the crate cover into place, you can fold or roll up the flap along the side. There is also a top loop to secure the flap, so it does not get in the way of the crate's door. There are also roller shades on the entrance door, letting you adjust the ventilation and visibility. Just clean the cover using a little soap and a wet towel or soft brush. And finally at number 1, we have the Pet Dreams Complete 3-piece crate bedding set. This is one of the best dog crate covers with plenty of adaptability. You can open the front and side panels, letting the cover accommodate crates of different styles. All of the open sides feature snaps so the panels remain securely closed when not open. The cover attaches to the crate via ties in each corner which get hidden underneath. One of the most unique features is the foam bumper that slips inside the crate to provide your furry friend with comfort. It ties to your crate and fits side door or front door kennels. The crate pads are reversible, offering cotton for summer and Sherpa for winter. The pads are machine washable as well, lasting through unlimited lifetime washings. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.